Sunderland, if you touch Moscow, you go touch New York. Sunderland beat Chelsea, come from behind to beat Chelsea at Stamford Bridge by 2 goals to 1. See, football is not like if you normal, you understand, you win some, you lose some. To be honest, it looks like maybe in the first half, like maybe game Chelsea will get a result. But one funny thing in that game was that Sunderland had more expected goal than Chelsea. Sunderland had 0.9 expected goal, while Chelsea had 0.5. You know what Chelsea lacks in this just concluded game? Creativity. In the whole of second half, Chelsea could not muster a shot on target. Second half, no shots on target, but you needed to win. Creativity was completely lacking in that game. Completely lacking in that game. Pedro playing as an attacking midfielder there is a bit odd, even though he's known to also play there. You know why? Pedro is well known for his goal scoring abilities more than chance creating abilities. You understand? I feel the coach, okay, normal, at a point decided to utilize Esteval in that position. You understand? Decided to utilize Esteval in that position. But one thing is that creativity was lacking in that game. Completely lacking in that game, especially in the second half. Sunderland being able to win that game, though they had to set up a low block to play from the back, but Chelsea struggled to break them down. You know, when you play against this low block side, at a point you have to struggle. You have to struggle. Sunderland came up late. Granit Xhaka would have scored, but then he was supposed to square that ball, but unfortunately couldn't. But Chelsea on their own, Tosin for the winning goal, Sunderland winning goal, Tosin held up that player, the striker. But then the problem is, you don't just hold up the striker, you should also limit him from squaring up some other player. Now, the guy that was coming in, how far? Caicedo was expected to do better, but he was marking no one for the goal Chelsea conceded. I'm talking about Sunderland's winning goal. But then, Chelsea being toothless in the final third contributed. No creativity in that final third. Towards the dying minute, you were looking to get a result, but no out and out chance, no clear cut opportunity. That's the problem. Now Sunderland had to get the last. You're not going to blame goalkeeper. You know why? He was blocked out by the defender, so he didn't know which spot the player picked. So you're not going to blame Sanchez for it. Chelsea were completely lacking in that game. Creativity zero in that game. But one of those days, you win some, you lose some. Sunderland beat Chelsea at Stamford Bridge by 2 goals to 1.